Hello to all my fellow day traders. Welcome to 4th June 2019's pre-open analysis. Yesterday Indian markets flew all the way higher, and that was above the level of 12,041 levels, which was the ever all-time high Indian markets have ever scaled up to. And Indian markets just flew higher and higher, and it closed at the level of 12,089. Now SGX Nifty is showing 48.5 points down move from the all-time high it has hit, and Indian markets probably will take the cues from SGX Nifty. US markets have done pretty okay for itself. It was up by 4 points on DowJones and 120 points down on Nasdaq, 7 points down on S&P. So seeing the cues from US markets and SGX Nifty, Indian markets will open in dampened mood, that is negative session, negative in the beginning, and later may go up more higher in the open session. So what Indian markets have done for itself? Indian markets have delivered a blast yesterday. Indian markets did pretty good above the level of 12,041, an all-time high Indian markets have ever scaled up to, closed at 12,089 levels. So what is fast stochastic and slow stochastic denoting as of now? The fast stochastic is denoting that we are already in a overbought zone at 91.87. Slow stochastic also is denoting we are in a overbought zone at 98.5 levels. MACD is outright positive at 129 and exponential at 79, so it is outright positive. So slow stochastic, fast stochastic both denote that we are totally in a overbought zone and have to come down in order to go up. So that is the slow stochastic and fast stochastic denotions. What are the levels of supports and resistances we have to watch out for? Supports multiple, resistances none. So seems like the Indian markets may open a bit below and lower, probably below 12,041 also. So if that happens, then 12,041 becomes a resistance once again. Now the market is only poised to go higher and higher. 12,100 is a psychological resistance for the market. That's about it. So 12,103 is the highest Indian markets yesterday's session has seen. That is the highest. So that will be one of the resistances. What are the supports? Supports ample. So that's the first level is 12,041 levels. Below that, the level of 12,039, 12,000 being a strong support for the market, and below that the 11,985 levels, 11,969 levels, 11,945 levels, 11,900, 11,860 levels are the levels of support we have to watch out for. It's most unlikely that the markets will fall below that. If the markets has to fall, then 11,855 and 11,808 and 11,760 will be the levels of support we have to watch out for. That's the Indian markets for you guys. If you want all this technical knowledge for yourself and make money on a regular basis, on a daily basis, click on the link in the description below, the first link in the description below. I'll be teaching you 3 strategies which makes you money on a daily basis, but this would not be a classroom session. This would only be a go-to webinar session happening next week, that is from Monday till Saturday. So this will be a 5 or 6 day session starting from 10th and ending on 15th of June 2019. So that being said, if you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share the video for all the knowledge needies. This is Ashok Kumar signing off, people. Happy trading and happy money making.